Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable email notifications for tweets updates on Twitter using your PC. If you're looking to manage your email preferences and reduce unnecessary notifications, follow these simple steps. First, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can access various settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. This will take you to the Settings page where you can customize your account preferences. Now, locate the Email Notifications option and click on it. Within this section, find the subsection related to Activity from your network. Here, you'll see an option to receive updates about the performance of your tweets via email. Uncheck this box to disable these specific email notifications. Finally, don't forget to click on the Save Changes button to apply your updated preferences. By following these steps, you can easily tailor your email notifications on Twitter to suit your preferences and reduce unnecessary updates about your tweet performance. That's it for our tutorial on disabling email notifications for tweets updates on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy a more streamlined Twitter experience without the constant email alerts.